From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, CNET. I'm student meteorologist Filippo Formica, taking a look back on the day in Westfield in northwestern Pennsylvania. We can see some of that lake effect snow machine really ripping as those visibilities drop a tad and then they start to clear back out, and once again, over and over again, those snow bands moving through. And actually, we're just having one start to move in here in Westfield. A crazy view there, barely able to see those mountains there in the distance. And we can see that on our radar and satellite right now, those lake effect snow bands in Bradford and just the southwest of Franklin. And that lake effect snow is going to be continuing over the next 48 hours as well. A little upper level disturbance moving through the Ohio River Valley that will be tracking to our south and west. You may have also noticed today it was quite cold out. Right now in State College, 32 degrees, but feeling like 23 with those winds really kicking out there. And 23 degrees right now in Johnstown, but feels like 12. And zooming out to the rest of the state, 39 degrees in Philadelphia, our warm point today. And Lake Erie is actually moderating the temperatures in Erie, 32 degrees, but feels like 22. And here is that lake effect machine continuing to produce these snow bands over the next 48 hours. Some areas just inland of Erie could see upwards of another half a foot of snowfall from these snow bands as things really start to churn into the overnight tonight, and could even see some of those snow bands get further southeast than you would think. Williamsport, State College could see some snowfall overnight tonight into tomorrow, and could see some flurries as far southeast as Harrisburg as those winds are really kicking off the lakes, and there's just so much energy out there that we could see some of that snowfall. And as things start to move out and slow down, we have clouds coming back in Wednesday for our next snowmaker Wednesday night into Thursday. But what are we talking about in terms of this lake effect snowfall? How much is left? Upwards of a half a foot here in these purple values, 3 to 6 here in some of these darker blue shadings. But again, as far south as really getting close to Harrisburg here and even getting close to Allentown, some of those lake effect snow bands could pack quite a punch and really get down into areas that don't typically see lake effect snowfall, especially at this time of the year. And let's take a look at our next snowmaker, starting to swing down from Canada. Going to be a brief snowmaker, and we will see the lake effect snow machine get kicked up again behind it. But this snowmaker not going to be a very heavy one, more so in the range of 1 to 3 inches, but more so going to be kicking back up that lake effect snow machine, and that will be the real difference in snowfall there. So for tonight, we're going to be dealing with some overcast skies, maybe some flurries, looking like most of those lake effect snow bands will stay off to our northeast here in State College. Low of 25 degrees with a westerly wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. As we head into tomorrow, those snow showers will pick up just a little bit. I think we could see maybe a trace of snow possible from those lake effect snow bands. High of 35 and a westerly wind again at 5 to 10 miles per hour, but gusting pretty swiftly out there, 20-mile-an-hour gusts tomorrow in State College. As we take a look at our 7-day forecast, you can see that snowmaker Wednesday into Thursday producing some light snow. Things clear out on Friday, but also get much colder, 19 degrees Friday night into Saturday, and snow showers again from that lake effect snow machine Saturday, and then Sunday and Monday, things get a bit warmer, 40 and 39, and maybe some rain showers starting to move in on Monday. So make sure to bundle up out there this week. It's going to be a cold and brisk one, that's for sure. Stay warm, stay safe, and I'll see you again soon.